Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to organize your Google Drive after uploading files to enhance productivity and efficiency. Step 1 is to create a logical folder structure. Categorize your folders based on themes such as work, personal, or projects. In Step 2, always use descriptive names for your folders and files. This makes retrieval easy and intuitive. Step 3, utilize color coding for your folders. Assign specific colors to categories for quick visual identification. In Step 4, implement a consistent naming convention for your files. It helps maintain clarity and order. Step 5 is to move uploaded files into their respective folders promptly to keep everything organized. Step 6, don't forget to use the search feature for quick access to your documents when needed. Step 7, make it a habit to regularly review and delete unnecessary files. This reduces clutter and enhances efficiency. Finally, Step 8, share folders with collaborators effectively. It fosters better teamwork and communication. In conclusion, an organized Google Drive not only enhances your workflow, but also saves time. Remember to continuously manage your files.